tell me what different shapes do you know?
A triangle,
Triangle,
Circle.
circle,
rectangle,
rectangle,
Square.
square. Anything else?
um, diamond,
A diamond, yes, that's a shape. Anything else?
that's it.
That's it. Okay, so how many sides does a triangle have?
Mm, three,
Three. Good job. All right. And what does a circle look like?
Round.
Round. Yes, that's one way to describe a circle. Round. And what about a rectangle?
it's four sides.
It is four sides. Are they all even sides?
It's two long sides, two short sides.
Two long sides, two short sides. Great description. And what about a square?
Four, like
Four
they're all the same.
same, which means they're congruent, huh?
Same size, same shape.
Yes. And a diamond.
It
Uh,
looks like a square,
it's
but
two squares together. I mean triangles together.
That's a good one. Okay, let's see. We do a triangle like this. Will we put a triangle right here or right here?
At the bottom.
At the bottom. Great. Oops. Ew. Okay. So these shapes will be called two-dimensional shapes. Okay. Because you can only see them from one way. This one angle. All right. Today we're gonna learn about three-dimensional shapes that we can't see. Hold on. There we go. All right, we have a three-dimensional shape. One of them is called a cube. Can you say cube?
cube.
Cube.
Good job. A cube is six squares.
Oh,
Yes. One, two, three, and there's one right here. Four, five, and then six right there. So it's one, two, three, four. Well, let's do it like this. Three, four, back here is five, and back here, or in the bottom one, is six. Okay? Next, we have a rectangular rectangular prism. What do you think this has?
six sides.
Six sides, but what shape will we be
A
using?
rectangle.
A rectangle. Good job. So we have six rectangles. Same way, just different shape. All right. I stop the. We're gonna learn how to get the perimeter. Oh, the perimeter on these shapes. All right. So does anybody know what perimeter means?
all the sides added up?
All the sides added up. Right, right. In other words, it's the perimeter is how you get the length around the shape um or an area or like it would be all of the trimming on this board would be the perimeter of this board. Okay? Alright, so if we have a triangle and this side is 11 inches and this side is 11 inches as well and this side is 8 inches, what would be the perimeter of this triangle?
Let me go do it. 30?
30?
30, right, because 11 plus 11 plus 8 would give you 30. But would it just be 30 or would it be 30 inches?
It'll
30
be 30
30
inches.
inches.
inches, right. You got to make sure you put um, inches on there.
So we can just write IN instead of inches all the way up.
Yes, ma'am. You could write IN or you could just put an apostrophe.
Oh, cool.
Cool stuff, huh? All right. Let's see. Let's give y'all some harder ones since y'all are so smart. All right. If I ask you what's the perimeter of this object, and these are 7.5 feet, and this is 12.5 feet. How would you get the perimeter?
So you add 7.5 plus 7.5, and that's 15.
Why would you add 7.5 plus 7.5?
Because if it's 7.5 on the that side, it has to
Mm-hmm.
be on the other side.
Right, good job, good job.
So I did that first. So that's 15. And then you add 12.5 plus 12.5. And that equals 25. So you do 25 plus 15.
And what did you come up with?
40
Yes, 40. 40 what?
feet.
40 feet. Good job. Man, I don't know what I'm going to do with y'all. Y'all just so smart. Let's see. Well, let me give you a tricky one. Y'all ready for the tricky one?
Yeah.
This is a tricky one. You ready?
Mhm.
Yes, ma'am, we are.
How would you get the perimeter to that?
Well, 14 plus 14 is 28.
28, right?
12 plus 7 is 29.
12 plus
I
7
mean 19, I'm sorry.
19. Okay.
And we're gonna do I would put a 21 underneath the 19.
Okay. Right, right.
8 plus 9 plus 1 is 18.
Correct.
2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1. That's 5 plus another 1 since you carried over is 68.
Good job. All right. So, now that we have perimeter, I just got it. Just all right. Now we're gonna learn how to do the area.
Ooh.
Ooh. Do y'all know what area is?
Is it like the perimeter?
It's kind of like the perimeter. We have to use the same sides, but we're gonna learn what area is. So, do you know what area means?
It's like perimeter.
it's kind of like perimeter. Instead of getting the trimming around the room, now we're gonna get the carpet inside of the room. Get it? All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the room, a square, and instead of adding now, we have to multiply. So if this is 12, then this is 12, right? Correct? And so we would have the area, which is what is inside. All right.
So how do you do the formula for area?
For area, it'll be length times width when it for the square. It's length times width. So you will have 12 times 12. This is the length, and that will be the width, which is how long it is and how wide the square is. All right, so can anyone tell me what the area will be for this triangle?
144?
144. How did you know that?
Because I know my times
Because you
tables.
know your times tables. So you see why it's important to learn your times tables because you'll need that all through life. All through life. Yes, ma'am.
Miss Brown, I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
So say if you have 12 feet,
Mhm.
would area just be feet or will it be squared?
It'll be squared. Yes, because you're
Oh,
multiplying. Yes.
okay.
Yes, ma'am. That's a good question. Very advanced for your age.
Right, thank you.
Thank you. You're very smart. That's why we're in the smart class. All right. The area also can be in a rectangle.
Really?
Yes, ma'am. Say the length of this rectangle is 16, and the width of this rectangle is 4. How will we get the area?
So you do 16 times 4.
16 times 4, correct.
So 6 times 4 is 24. So you put the 4 down, and then the 2 above the 1.
Right.
So 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6.
Good job. So it'll be 64. Say these are feet.
So it's squared, so it's 64 feet squared. And you put the little 2 above.
Good job, man. Y'all are really good. Y'all are so good. We're gonna take a little mini test
Oh,
for the
man.
end. I know we have to go.
I'm ready
Too
to
bad
ace this
school
test.
isn't longer, right? All right, so we're gonna take a test. Well, it's not gonna be a test. I don't want to give y'all a test. More of a worksheet, and I'll give y'all 5 minutes and see how y'all do with it, and then we'll just continue with the rest of the class.
Okay.
All right. right. I'm about to take up the worksheet, and then we'll see how good y'all did, and then we'll definitely get up out of class. How does that sound?
Sounds great.
Awesome. All right. First one, wow. See, I knew I had the best class. Y'all both made 100. All right. Well, what did we learn today?
Shapes.
Shapes.
Shapes, and then we learn.
Perimeter.
And what does perimeter mean?
It's all the sides added up.
Good job. And then what else did we learn?
We learned
Area.
area.
Area. So what is area?
The length times the width.
Good job. All right. Well, I'll see y'all tomorrow. It was fun, and have a great weekend.
Bye, Miss Brown.